In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all photos in Google Photos. To get started, open Google Photos on your desktop or laptop. This method is much easier to do on a larger screen because selecting a large number of images is more manageable with a mouse and keyboard. Once you're in Google Photos, make sure you're viewing your photo library so you can access all of your images in one place. Next, you'll begin selecting your photos. Start by choosing one image and checking it so it becomes selected. This first selection acts as the starting point for highlighting everything else. After that, scroll down through your library until you reach the last photo you want to include. If your goal is to remove everything, keep scrolling all the way to the end of your photo collection. Take your time here because the selection will cover everything between your first photo and the last one you click. Once you've reached the last image, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard and then select that final photo. Google Photos will automatically select all the photos in between, which is the quickest way to highlight a large batch at once. This is especially useful if you have months or even years of pictures stored in your account. Just be careful before moving forward, since this action can include a very large number of images. After all the photos are selected, click the Move to Trash icon to delete them. This sends the selected images to the trash, removing them from your main Google Photos library. If you're cleaning up your account to free up space or simply starting fresh, this is the key step that completes the bulk deletion process. As a quick tip, before deleting everything, it's a good idea to double check that you really want to remove all selected photos. If there are any important images you may want later, you should review them before clicking the trash icon. Bulk actions are convenient, but they also make it easy to remove more than intended if you're not paying close attention. And that's it. Open Google Photos on your computer, select the first image, scroll to the last one, use Shift to select the full range, and then click the trash icon to move everything to the trash. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll be able to delete all photos in Google Photos quickly and efficiently.